Looking for a motherboard that truly unlocks the full potential of your AMD Ryzen 5000 or 3rd Gen Ryzen CPU? The AMD AM4 Socket motherboard, paired with PCIe 4.0 support, offers exactly that, delivering a platform designed to maximize speed, stability, and connectivity for serious gamers and creators alike. What makes this motherboard stand out? It's built with an 8+2 DrMOS power stage design, featuring high-quality alloy chokes and durable capacitors. This robust power delivery system ensures your high core count AMD processor runs smoothly, even under intense workloads. Plus, the optimized thermal solution, complete with VRM and PCH heatsinks enhanced by ASUS Stack Cool 3+ technology, keeps critical components cool without relying on noisy fans. That means reliable performance without the heat throttling or unexpected shutdowns. Connectivity is another area where this board shines. With built-in Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, Bluetooth 5.1, and a 2.5 gigabits LAN port equipped with ASUS LANguard, you get fast, stable network speeds whether you're gaming online or streaming your favorite content. Video output options include HDMI 2.1 supporting 4K at 60 Hz and DisplayPort 1.2, so you can connect the latest monitors with ease. Storage needs are covered with dual M.2 slots, including one with PCIe 4.0x4 support for blazing fast NVMe SSDs. USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports on both the front panel and rear offer quick access for external drives and peripherals. I recently built an open case system using this motherboard, and it handled every component flawlessly. The integrated Wi-Fi and Bluetooth cut down on cable clutter, making setup cleaner and cable management simpler. It's a real-time saver and keeps your build looking sharp. If you value a clean, efficient setup without sacrificing power or features, this motherboard checks all the boxes. If that's you, someone who wants reliable power delivery, advanced cooling, and top-tier connectivity for the latest AMD Ryzen processors, this motherboard is worth a close look. It's designed to support your high-performance ambitions with features that matter and proven stability you can count on. Ready to upgrade your build with a motherboard that keeps pace with your Ryzen 5000 CPU? Explore the AMD AM4 Socket motherboard with PCIe 4.0 and experience what smooth, powerful computing really feels like. Try it when you're ready and see the difference firsthand.